Hi there, my name's Dave Johnson and I'm your mentor in the OLSP system. I'd like to welcome you and congratulate you on joining us. And if you're watching this video on YouTube and you're not already a member, you can join up to my team in the link below in the description. So this system, you will learn everything you need to know how to be a traffic dominator and how to have a profitable business online. You've probably already received an email from my mentor and the owner of OLSP, who has asked me to contact you and introduce myself, so I'm here to help you. It would be great if you could add your Facebook page to your account, as we tend to communicate mostly on Facebook. So all my details can be found on the Meet Your Team page, my email address, my Facebook profile and my Skype ID. Your next step now is to find me on Facebook and contact with me on there. Just send me a friend request and leave a message saying that you're in my team. I'll leave the link below this video. Then you'll also be able to join up to my own Facebook group where I'll give you lots of valuable information, and I'll also hold live events for you to attend, or you can watch the recordings, and I'll leave the link where you can join up to the group again below this video. So once you log into your OLSP account, you'll need to start the bootcamp training if you haven't done already. Now please note that in order to receive the $20 payment to your commissions account, you have to complete the training within the 14 days, otherwise you won't get the payment, okay? So no matter how far through the system you've got, I'm here to support you. So please reach out to me for any help you may need, okay? Now, if you've forgotten your login details, you can request a new password. I'll leave the link below. You can log into the system on olspsystem.com. Now, it's recommended that you join the live webinars so you can see the demonstrations of the products that you're going to promote that will earn you commissions. If you follow the training and apply what you've learned, you'll soon be earning some commissions. Believe me, this system works. I was a newbie once and I'm already earning commissions weekly, okay? So my message to you, if you take one thing out from this video, is remember this one thing: action takers become money makers. So if you don't take action, don't expect any success. It's just like any other business. You get out of it what you put in. So once again, welcome to my team. Please reach out to me for any information or any help you require, okay? So can't wait to talk to you. I'll see you soon. Stay safe.